Lori with Rockenco Crafts. I want to thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be a short one. It is going to be an unboxing video. Now, Let's Resin currently has a couple of, well, like 3 different sales going on. They have what's called the flash sale, they have a winter sale, and then on Fridays they have what they call the Black Friday sale. And this past Friday, I decided to check out that sale and I purchased some molds. And because I loved the pumpkin jar mold, that was the first jar mold I'd ever done. But I loved it. I love pouring that. So I wanted to take advantage of some of their other jar molds that they had on sale. Let's start with, I probably should have started with a pair of scissors in case I need them. Let me grab those. This is the Let's Resin apple jar. I'm excited about this. I love the pumpkin jar. I've poured it a few times. So let's check out the apple jar. Move that out of the way. Sorry for the crinkly paper. It's probably very loud. Let's give this a peek see here. All right, so that's the top of it. Yeah, just like that, I guess. Yeah, that would be the lid. So there's a little apple jar. It has a little apple stem. That's cute. So there's the apple jar mold, and let's see down in here. Looks like there's plenty of room. I may actually be able to put a little something in there if I wanted to. There's the apple jar mold. Let me set that aside. It's really good sized. And then I decided to purchase also, this is the Let's Resin Dragon Egg Storage Jar Mold. Let's go ahead and check that out. Oh, wow. Sorry for the crinkly noise. Let's see what we've got going on here. Oh, okay. So here's like the egg part. I guess that's the lid. That would be the lid. The lid would go up here. Okay. I had it backwards. But it looks like it's got dragon scales on it. That's cool. That would be pretty with some powder. And again, that's really good sized. I love the inside. It'd be fun just put candy in that. Or other stuff. But the first thing that comes to mind with me is like candy. So let's set that one there. And well, I'll put it back here. And the last thing I ordered, it's not jars, it's the tea light candle holder molds. Let me pull that noisy paper out and we'll look at these. And they are, I believe, 3 different sizes and they are different shapes. Let's go ahead. Whoops, I'm throwing things around here. All right, so this one's like a round one. This one looks kind of like a rock. That'd be pretty with rocks in it. And then more of it's round but short. Those are the molds that I recently got, and I just love the jar mold, so I'm excited about that. And I thought for the candles it would be fun to do something different, because these definitely look like it would be so easy to put stuff down in there. Those are the new molds, and I will be pouring them in the near future. If you're interested in these molds or some of the other products I use, I do include a link in my description box. I want to thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of the new molds. Also, consider hitting the like, share, and if you haven't already, the subscribe buttons. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.